To create a new project, let's navigate to our Projects workspace and create a new project. On the project form presented here, we can now search and select our customer. We enter a description for our project. And when we navigate to the Summary tab below, we can now update all the relevant settings for this project. Under Billing and Allocation settings, we will use On Demand for the billing period. We will select our Progress Billing rule and we will ensure that we have the Create Proforma on Billing ticked on. When you build a project, the system will now create a Proforma invoice because the Create Proforma on Billing checkbox is selected. With the specified settings, we can build a project at any time we need to by using the Progress Billing rule that we reviewed in the previous video. On the Tasks tab, we can now add each task to the project. By default, the system inserts by billing period as the billing option for each project task. On the Table toolbar of the Task tab, we can now click Activate Tasks to change the status of all the tasks listed in the table to active. On the Revenue Budget tab, we can now add the project revenue for each task. For each line, the system inserts Revenue as the account group because the Revenue account group is the only account group of the income type. Because no specific inventory item is associated with the budget lines of the project, the system inserts Hour as the unit of measure of each line, which is the default unit of measure of the empty item code. When you have entered the original budgeted quantity, unit of measure, and unit rate for a line, the system automatically calculates the original budgeted amount and the revised budgeted amount, which is initially equal to the original budgeted amount. The revised budgeted quantity is also initially equal to the original budgeted quantity. In the Summary area, let's now clear the Hold checkbox and save the project. The project will now have an active status because we've taken it off hold. We have now created the project, and in the next video, we will update the progress of the project and build the project.